Welcome to Sleep Reset. This is day 4, and in this part 1, we are going to have a therapy for your sleep and your energy balance and manifestation. This is Mudra therapy. This is one of the most natural and effective ways to regulate sleep balance, life energies, and improve emotional stability in yogas, mudras, which are considered energetic switches. Each finger represents an element: air, fire, water, earth, and ether. And when these elements come into imbalance, the body and mind shows disturbances, including sleeplessness, including irritability, low motivation. So below we will discuss 3 mudras which will help you sleep better, have hormonal balance, and emotional grounding. The first one is Gyan Mudra. This Gyan Mudra activates clarity and helps your mind move away from overthinking. So how you have to do the steps are: rest cross-legged and rest your hands on your knees, your palm, and touch your thumb and index finger together. Hold for 2 minutes before bed and 2 minutes after waking. And you can chant the mantra of your 7 energy centers: Lam, Yam, Ram, Yam, Hum, Om, and silence. This will improve your sleep and reduce the negative thoughts and create a calm mind. With constant practice, it helps you reshape your emotional patterns, which is important for manifestation and better decision making. The second is the Shakti Mudra, the mudra of inner power. This mudra promotes deep physical relax. You have to sit or you have to stand straight. You have to join the ring fingers and the little finger of both your hands. Fold index and middle finger over the thumbs. You have to breathe slowly, your abdominal breathing and pelvic breathing, and practice again 2 minutes before sleep, 2 minutes after waking. This will relieve your nervous tension. It will help you in your even menstrual balance. It reduces the nighttime restlessness and supports deeper sleep. Prithvi Mudra is the third one, the earth element mudra. This mudra stabilizes the earth element, supporting strength, grounding, and immunity. Again, you can sit or stand straight. Touch the ring finger and the thumb gently and keep other fingers extended. Hold for 2 minutes and twice a day, same. This improves insomnia, that lack of sleep, improves the digestion, reduces weakness, and this supports your consistent manifestation work. And why mudra therapy works according to Ayurveda? Because it balances the 5 elements. Each finger corresponds to one element, and mudras help redirect and balance the pranic flow. When energy becomes balanced, sleep improves, hormones stabilize, the mind calms, and the subconscious becomes receptive, and manifestation becomes easier. So again, we have to repeat to understand this incredible, powerful therapy which I have shared today, the mudra therapy for your sleep and energy balance. Again, you need to understand that hand gestures, they work on your pranic system, your internal energy system. When the system is balanced, your sleep improves, your emotional reaction softens, and your mind becomes clearer. This clarity directly affects your money decision and how to handle stress, and you become receptive to manifestation and good being. So the first mudra, as I told you, the ground mudra, which I explained to you earlier, you have to sit down on putting your hands on the knees with the thumb and index finger, keeping your other fingers relaxed and straight. We hold this mudra for 2 minutes, and we have seen, like you chanted the 7 mantras. Again, you can do with me: Lam, Yam, Ram, Yam, Hum, Om. As you chant, your mind and your energy gets clear. Cycle resets. This mudra is excellent for overthinking and negative thought cycle and restlessness. And all the things which it helps is the interrupted sleep and the blocked manifestation. It removes it. Shakti mudra is again, which I explained to you, that you have to bring your ring fingers and your little fingers together. You have to fold your index and middle finger over your thumb. You have to relax your shoulders and slow down your breath and focus on the lower abdomen. This mudra helps your body shift into deep reset mode. It relaxes the pelvic area. It reduces the tension and calms your mind. If your brain stays active at night and you struggle to switch off, this mudra will help you ease into sleep. And as third thing, again we are repeating, rehearsing together, that you touch your ring finger to your thumb and keep the other fingers extended and breathe gently. This mudra strengthens your grounding energy. When you are grounded and your mind becomes like calm, stable energy flows in and manifestation happens, especially in money, because the more it keeps you focused, it also keeps you extended. As you practice these mudras, I want you to visualize the benefit it has working through your body and how it improves. Visualize now that your sleep is improving, your mind is calming down, your energy is aligning with your intention. 2 minutes before sleeping, 2 minutes after you get up to sleep. Just visualize. A regulated nervous system is balanced energy. Your sleep is your reset, your energy practices are your powerful tools. Use them intentionally. And thank you for joining today and practicing this with me 2 times. My intention is you get clarity, decision making, and you attract everything you want in your life. So mudra therapy for sleep and energy balance was given to you the Gyan Mudra, the wisdom and calm. Thumb and index finger together. 2 minutes before sleep, 2 minutes after wake. Chanting Lam, Yam, Ram, Yam, Ham, Om. And silent. Benefits I told you, it's reducing overthinking, improves sleep, stabilizes thoughts, supports manifestation focus. Second mudra was Shakti Mudra, deep relaxation. Joining your ring and little finger, fold index and middle over thumb. This slows the pelvic breathing. Benefits are it calms the nervous system, relieves tension, supports better sleep and hormonal comfort. Third mudra you learned was grounding, Prithvi Mudra, strength. It was with ring finger and thumb together. Benefits were it reduces insomnia, improves digestion, strengthens body, increases stability and focus. So why mudras work? Because all the 5 fingers, I repeat, they represent air, fire, water, earth and mudra balance. It helps in pranic flow, better sleep, calmer mind and emotional regulation. And balanced energy improves your clarity, discipline and manifestation alignment. Coming to the summary of Sleep Reset Day 4, this is about mudra therapy, improving your sleep. Today you understood how hand mudras can regulate your energy system, calm your mind and directly improve your sleep quality. Each mudra works on balancing the 5 elements of the body, which affects everything from your nervous system to your emotional stability. You learned the 3 mudras. The Gyan Mudra to quiet your mind and reduce overthinking. You learned the Shakti Mudra to activate deep physical relaxation and ease nighttime, the restlessness which is there in the space. You learned Prithvi Mudra to restore grounding, strength and stability. These practices are short, just 2 minutes before the bed and 2 minutes after waking. But they create noticeable shifts when done consistently. So better sleep, calmer emotions and a bit stable energy is what you experience and a clearer decision making. If yesterday's mindset test showed that areas to improve these mudras will help you to move in the right direction by regulating your inner state. And this will balance your energy, leading to your focus and better choices and receptive like subconscious. So this day teaches you that you don't need complex routines. You just need small intentional practices that align your body naturally, their energy flow. So keep these mudras in your daily routine to steadily build emotional balance, strength and your clarity.